All right, welcome to this week's episode of Exhausted Exotics. We're at episode 3, so we're going to get into the actual repair of the car now. So we're going to start with the AC, the HVAC unit. It's blowing like the depths of Hades right now.
Yeah, I feel like you're in the Sahara in there.
Yeah, it's hot. So it looks like there's a malfunction of a little plastic clip. Is our guess based upon your research. So Why don't you go ahead and talk about that?
Yeah, I think it's actually a metal clip. There's two components to it for what we read on the forums and also a online website. Basically, there's a linkage mechanism down there underneath the steering column, and supposedly the plastic clip on it breaks, and there's a metal retainer on it that falls off. So we've got those parts now. We're going to go investigate and see if that's the case, and hopefully it's a quick fix for us.
Yeah, and also there's not a lot of space in there. So I think we're going to end up pulling the seat, the driver's seat out of there, so that way we have more room to work around. Plus the interior, as we've mentioned, is in such good shape.
Right.
We don't want to damage it. So we're going to pull the passenger or the driver's seat out, give us a little bit more room to get in there and try to figure out what's going on with that linkage. So you ready to go?
Yep, sounds good.
Let's do it.
All right.
So I just passed airport. I'm like, no, you need to turn on airport. It's on the corner of Burn.
There we go. Do we want to spray some WD-40 on the fronts?
No, I don't think they're too tight. I think it has to do with the size. All right.
I think you got it.
Did it?
Yeah. Yep, you got it. It's a tiny screwdriver.
It's missing the extension piece.
Gotcha.
Funniest part of this video is going to be the lack of proper tools.
Yeah. And that should just pop out. Yeah, that plug should pop out of that brass piece. Maybe this should pull out. I'm just gonna pull up here.
Oh, here?
Yep.
Just straight out?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, let's make sure this door.
I don't need a hand. Cool. Lost the washer right there. That opens stuff up for us.
Okay. Let's see if we can find that.
Going in. Oh yeah.
Is it better?
A little bit, yeah. I can actually move my feet.
Good.
Oh, yes.
Can you get to it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Gotcha.
But I can see it now.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
Good.
and I can actually get my fingers on it. So
Awesome.
yeah, this helps.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Can you hand me the white stuff? This stuff?
The white clip?
Yes, please.
Yep, one moment here. I'll take the bad one.
So here's the broken one, guys. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna change that. Thank you. Thank you. Look at the diagram one more time. Okay, goes over. Okay.
There you go.
Come on. think it's on. I think we're done.
You done? Okay, let's
I think
see.
so.
Yeah, let's put the keys in.
It's in gear.
Yep, I'm not gonna turn it. You'll have to hit the clutch.
Hold on.
Got it?
Yep. Feels cooler.
Yeah.
Might want to take it out of gear.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's out of gear.
I don't know if it's the AC is working, but it's cooler. It's
Yeah.
not blowing hot air
It's not
anymore.
blowing hot.
Woof. Go ahead. I don't know, does it light up or anything? Do you know?
I don't know. You know what these do?
That's the fan speed, I think. Or no, this temperature.
No, temperature's here.
Oh, maybe that's fan speed.
Fan speed is here.
Maybe it's like distributing.
By level.
Yeah.
It's feeling cold.
It's cooler, yeah. It's not AC cold, but it's cool.
It takes a little while, I think, too.
Can you hit that and we'll see if the compressor is on or not?
I did.
AC button, yeah. Yeah.
All right, so we're in here. We got the windows up, crush-proof tubing, exhaust on the tailpipe to get the fumes outside. Here at Exhausted Exotics, we use crush-proof tubing's exhaust hose. For any time that we turn on the car in the garage bay, we use this hose to be able to get the fumes out. So it's super simple. And if you have a garage at home, you do any work on your own cars, we highly recommend going to ExhaustAway, ExhaustAway.com, and purchasing whatever's going to work. We have these wire hose adapters that will go onto these reels. We also have directly out the door systems as well. Works really simple, just like this. You're safe and good to go. You can do any work you want to do. And Sonny's got the plastic and metal clip installed.
Yeah.
It's actually switching now. It's getting colder, but I think that we're going to probably have to recharge the AC system because it's definitely not blowing hot air, but it's not as cold as it actually should be. Huh?
After you guys took that out.
With tools.
Yeah.
Yep. Few
Okay,
bolts.
We gotta lay it down like this
Yep.
because we gotta put the.
Hey, watch the glass.
I don't want to do this part. I can't be like. I'll be squished if I squeeze down there.
You should have seen me. I was laying in there.
I know.
My
I
head.
saw that. You're like.
Okay.
First, I think it's this big wire. Yeah. I lost my mic to the car.
Did you? Does it go like this or like I don't know, like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Yes,
that.
I think so. Yep, that one's lined up. There we go. Bolts are over there. Okay.
All right, awesome. So we're wrapping this up. So Sonny got the clips replaced. We got the driver's seat back in. Started blowing the cool air, but not cold. We were able to get some AC refrigerant. We got it all done, so we're ready to go. So round episode 3 down. See you guys next week.
Awesome.
Illusion of liberty.